Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to autoplay piano in Roblox so that you can play complete songs without pressing every piano key one by one. The setup is pretty simple here, but you'll need to prepare the right tool and a piano script first. So once everything is ready, the script can handle the key presses while you are inside a Roblox piano game. So to get started, open your browser and search for Auto Hotkey, and then click the official Auto Hotkey website and then choose the download option. Once the file finishes downloading, open it and install Auto Hotkey on your computer. And this program can simulate keyboard presses, which is what allows the piano notes to be played automatically. Next, load your piano script into Auto Hotkey. This script contains the song notes and automatically presses the correct keys. Once it is ready, open Roblox, join a piano game like Robeats, and then run the script while you're inside the game. You can also use a VP Autoplayer, which lets you load piano sheets and adjust the playing speed. So just keep in mind that autoplay may not be allowed in some public games, so always check the game rules before using. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.